by Urdhva Tiryak Sutra or by vertical and crosswise general formula applicable to all cases of multiplication. Suppose we have to multiply 23 by 13. Starting from the left, first of all, multiply the two leftmost digits vertically, that is 1 into 2, which gives us 2, and then set it down as the left hand part of the answer. Secondly, multiply 1 and 3 and 2 and 3 crosswise. Add the two products, that is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 to get 9, and set it down as the middle part of the answer. Now multiply 3 and 3 vertically, which is equal to 9, and put it down as the right hand side of the answer. Thus 23 into 13 is 299. The techniques of multiplying: first, 2 digits by 2 digits. Secondly, 3 digits by 3 digits. Thirdly, 4 digits by 4 digits. Fourthly, 5 digits by 5 digits. Fifthly, 6 digits by 6 digits. Example: 16 into 16. Here, the right hand side of the answer is 6 into 6, which is equal to 36. Write it in the fashion shown. Now, cross multiply 1 and 6 and 1 and 6 and add them. So we get 12. Write it in the fashion shown. On multiplying 1 with 1, we get 1. Eventually, the answer is 6, 2 plus 3 that is 5, and 1 plus 1 that is 2. That is 256. Similarly, when 33 is multiplied by 38, we get 3 into 8 plus 3 into 3, that is 9 plus 24, and 3 into 3, that is 9. Thus the final answer is 1254. On the similar lines, we can multiply 42 into 42 to get 1764. '89 into 09 to get 801. '8 into 48 to get 384. 53 into 84 to get 4452. This method is also useful when we deal with algebraic expressions. Example: when a plus b is multiplied by a plus 7b, we get b into 7b, which is equal to 7b square. On cross multiplication, we get ab plus 7ab, that is equal to 8ab, and a into a is equal to a square. Thus, our final expression is a square plus 8ab plus 7b square. Similarly, when a plus 4b is multiplied by 4a plus 8b, we get